Hello everyone and welcome to our channel dedicated to cryptos. In this video, we're going to explain what Bitcoin is and how it works. We'll also give you a brief history of Bitcoin and how it became the world's most popular cryptocurrency. So, without further ado, let's get started. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a digital asset and a payment system invented by Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin is decentralized, meaning it doesn't rely on any central authority like a bank or government to manage it. Instead, it relies on a peer-to-peer network of computers worldwide. Bitcoin is often called a cryptocurrency because it uses cryptography to secure its transaction. Bitcoin is also decentralized, which means it isn't subject to the whims of central authorities like banks or governments. How does Bitcoin work? Bitcoin is a decentralized system, which means it doesn't have a central authority like a bank or government. Instead, it relies on a peer-to-peer network of computers worldwide. You need to find a willing buyer or seller when you want to buy or sell something using Bitcoin. You can do this by using a Bitcoin exchange like Coinbase or local Bitcoins. Once you've found a willing buyer or seller, you need to agree on a price. Once you've agreed on a price, you can complete the transaction using a Bitcoin wallet like blockchain.com or Electrum. Once complete, the Bitcoin is transferred from the seller's wallet to the buyer's wallet. The transaction is then recorded on the Bitcoin blockchain, which is a public ledger of all Bitcoin transactions. What is Bitcoin mining? Bitcoin mining is how new Bitcoin is created. Miners are rewarded with Bitcoin for verifying and committing transactions to the Bitcoin blockchain. Mining is a computationally intensive process that requires specialized hardware. It's not something that most people can do, which is why there are professional miners who dedicate their time and resources to mining Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin legal? Bitcoin is legal in most countries around the world. However, there are a few countries where Bitcoin is illegal, such as China. What is Bitcoin's price? Bitcoin's price is determined by supply and demand. The more people who want to buy Bitcoin, the higher the price will go. The more people who want to sell Bitcoin, the lower the price will go. How can I buy Bitcoin? There are a few ways to buy Bitcoin. The most popular way is to use a Bitcoin exchange like Coinbase or local Bitcoin. You can also buy Bitcoin directly from another person using a service like local Bitcoins. Can I sell Bitcoin? Yes, you can sell Bitcoin. You can do this by using a Bitcoin exchange like Coinbase or local Bitcoins. You can also sell Bitcoin directly to another person using a service like local Bitcoin. Should I invest in Bitcoin? Only you can answer this question. We recommend doing your own research before investing in any asset. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.